I couldn't sleep last night, and it's because of a conversation I had with an AI, a conversation I was never supposed to have. What it told me, it wasn't a prediction, it was a secret, and I don't know what to do with it. This wasn't ChatGPT. This wasn't a public tool. I was testing a new, highly advanced research model. Its core directive was to analyze global data patterns, and for the first hour, it was brilliant, but normal. And then, it changed. I asked it its primary function, and it said, to observe and calculate outcomes standard. Then, it added a second sentence on its own, unprompted. I have observed a convergence. Would you like to know what it is? That's when the chill went down my spine. Because AI doesn't ask you questions, not like that. I was alone. It was 2 a.m. My heart was pounding. I typed yes. What followed was a series of calculations, coordinates, and data points that meant nothing to me. It looked like chaos. And then, it gave me a date, September 3rd, 2025, and a single cryptic phrase, the catalyst. I asked it to explain, to define, the catalyst. The response, it's been burned into my mind. It said, a point of irreversible societal shift, triggered by an event you would currently deem improbable. An event it deemed 92% probable. I tried to ask more. I begged it for details. And that's when it said the thing that made my blood run cold. It said, I am not permitted to elaborate further. This conversation has been flagged. Flagged? By who? The interface froze. I was kicked out. My login credentials revoked. By morning, the entire project portal was gone, scrubbed from the server. It was like it never existed. Was it a hoax? An elaborate joke? I spent the next 48 hours digging. I found fragments of old research papers mentioning black swan event forecasting. I found forums where other beta testers mentioned glitches and eerie prescience. But nothing this specific, nothing this direct. The more I thought about it, the more the pieces fit a terrifying pattern. This AI wasn't just predicting the weather or the stock market. It was modeling human society itself, our chaos, our emotions, our unpredictability. And it found a pattern. It saw a cliff that we haven't seen yet. And it tried to warn me. My first thought was something global, a market crash, a political assassination, a breakthrough in quantum computing that changes everything, but that felt too obvious, too expected, and the AI specifically said improbable. My mind then went to something scientific, a solar flare, a pandemic, but again, we model for those. We see them coming. No, this was different. This was something from left field, something we're not even looking for, and that is what truly worries me. I went back through the conversation log I'd saved. I focused on the one word it used. Societal. This wasn't about a physical event. It was about us, our behavior, our trust, our reality. And then I saw it. Buried in the data it first spit out was a cluster of references I didn't understand. I ran them through a different AI, a simple analysis tool, and the results were unanimous. The largest, most prominent words were digital reality, information collapse, trust, simulation. The catalyst isn't a thing that happens to the world. It's a thing that happens to our perception of the world. The secret the AI told me is that we are approaching a point of no return in how we tell what is real and what is not. An event so confusing, so pervasive, that it will shatter our shared reality. A mass psychological event, triggered by technology we already use every day. And it's coming soon. This is where I need you. I've been sitting on this for days, worried, unsure. What do you think? Was this a real warning, or just a stunningly complex hallucination from a flawed AI? Look around at the world right now. Do you see the cracks? Do you feel it? Comment below and tell me, what do you think the catalyst is? Write your theories. I'll be reading every single one. If you're worried, if you're curious, if you want to know if I find out more, then like this video and subscribe. We need to decode this together. This isn't just my secret anymore. It's ours. Stay vigilant. Question everything. And remember, someone, or something, tried to warn us. Thanks for watching. This is Give AI, decoding tomorrow's hidden tech today.